Welcome back, boys. In this episode, Sarah and I are going to show you our new project boat, a Chris Craft frickin' Stinger. Now, before we get into that, I do want to acknowledge a couple things from the last video and a lot of the comments. Yes, we do have a 16-foot CB Avenger that isn't finished yet. And yes, we do have a 21-foot Sleekcraft SST that isn't finished yet. And yes, I do have a 29-foot cabin cruiser.
I'm your test bunny.
We've got the hydroplane. So the last thing I wanted was a boat, and I promised Sarah that I wouldn't spend any more money on another boat until we finished what we have. However, there was a loophole. The thing is that free boats don't count. All right, good morning, dudes. It's like 6:35 in the morning, and it is so early because it is possibly new boat day. And really didn't want another boat, but last night I just saw this boat pop up and it said, we're gonna go look at it and see if we can get it home. Here we go. This is the problem. I bought a lug nut key, but it doesn't fit. So I'm trying to figure out what to do. Let's see if this works. Are you kidding? Well, actually it kind of... Yeah. There we go. Well, he's going to go get a socket. Look at this. Look at this. This is so bad. All right, have trailer lights, new tires, new coupler jaws, pump the bearings. We're gonna see if we can get it home in one piece. Look at that thing. That's a cool looking boat. So excited. Alright dudes, Sarah still hasn't seen this thing, and I parked it in the driveway and I just noticed mice jumping out of it, like a lot of them, like at least 5-8 mice, I don't know. We didn't want to leave it in the driveway because we don't want the house infested with mice, so I'm at a 24-hour car wash and really wanted to look at the interior in the daylight, but we're gonna see if there's a rat king or something, because yeah, it's bad. Let's see what we see. First off, there is another friggin' engine in here, and also it's really bad. In here, that's a carpenter ant nest. Man, why do I do this shit? I don't even want to open that door. Alright dude, so I keep hearing noise from in here, like there's some mices in here, so we're gonna try to remove this cowl. Oh, look at that. Maybe that's why the transom wasn't bending at all. There's no engine in there, which means this must be the block, which means this is probably shot, which sucks. To be totally honest, I am feeling a bit overwhelmed because of how freaking bad it is inside, and I am afraid to open the door to the cuddy cabin. I don't really know what else I can do right now. I think the best solution is to park it not near the house. So I might be leaving the van somewhere else with this boat attached to it and then go get it in the morning. I do want to say one thing that is good news. One thing. Look at this. I'm seeing no transom flex. Doesn't mean that it's good, but I don't think it's that bad. Okay, so I gotta get this thing cleaned out before I can bring it home, or Sarah's gonna murder me, and I don't know what to do. It's 105 degrees today, and I'm in the middle of an asphalt parking lot of a closed down business because it's got dumpsters. All right, boys, I haven't looked at this in the daylight yet. Let's see what horrors unfold. Oh, God. Maybe we should start in one corner. Holy shit. Look at that. The weirdest thing so far is that the floors actually feel solid. Man, I really wish Sarah was here. She'd be so much better at this than me. Jesus Christ. Is this a carpet that you can remove? It sure looks like it. That would be incredible. What's this? That's junk. I'm trying to breathe in outside the boat right now. Okay, that actually came along pretty good. I think we're gonna shovel the back half now. Is that gel coat under there? What? No way. I thought this had a carpeted interior, maybe not. Oh, god damn. This is nuts. Oh, it's because they set this motor on a piece of foam. Then the mice got in here. Man, this is gonna be an issue. How heavy is this? Ah, it's got a missing spark plug hole facing up. That's no good. This is junk. Sarah, where are you? Oh, all ant eggs. Nice. So it is crazy that there's no soft spots in this boat so far. I mean, it's blowing my mind. This is about as far as I can go until I move this block. It's on the carpet, and I can't move the carpet to get the rest of the crap out of here until that block is out of here. So it turned out a lot better than I was anticipating, and now I think it's time to do the part that I'm really been avoiding, which is that. No, not the beer. We're gonna do the beer. We're gonna do another one. We're gonna pound one right before we do this, but that. Liquid courage, let's do it. We're switching to first person mode, putting on our best armor, +5 to raccoon bites, and weapon of choice. I just don't want to find bodies. It's the only thing I don't want. Well, I guess a live thing would be worse. Oh, fuck. I don't know, man. Oh, this feels like a bad idea right now. Oof, I can smell it. I'm gonna have to get my mask. Ugh. Ugh. Oh, first time I've dry heaved. Oh, this is the first time I dry heaved on a boat. I'm gonna take some deep breaths. We're gonna get off the boat, go get a mask, and persevere. Holy f***. I did not think it was gonna be that bad. I was hoping the door would have prevented some of that, but it is just utter carnage in there. It's so bad. I am not sure we're cleaning that today. I'm gonna talk about a couple other things while I drink this because I really don't want to go in there, so I'm still procrastinating. This boat is not very heavy, and it's been pretty hard to tow, and I'm noticing a lot of water in the boat. Something is clogging that drain plug. Probably gonna go home before we go to the car wash, and we're gonna get my jabber to try to dislodge whatever is clogging that, and hopefully that's not a raccoon body. I don't know if I'm gonna go in there yet. That is so bad. That is so bad. Hey babe, I've been cleaning out the boat and I have some great news.
No raccoons?
The floors are rock solid. And after literally shoveling out the muck, it turns out there's a carpet in there, but it's on snaps. And below that is gel coat. It's got like a hard offshore floor.
I'm sure that's not the only thing you found. What's the bad news?
I wasn't wearing a mask, and then I began dry heaving off the side of the boat. I was trying not to lose my breakfast.
The whole time.
So I'm just gonna pound this and put on a mask and just see. I'm gonna stick my head in there. I'm not promising I'm even going in.
Well, what's the alternative?
Gasoline and a match.
I'm for that. Project, I gotta tell you, I've kind of been for that plan since about 8 a.m. yesterday. So, like, is there a dead body in there? Like, what do you?
Don't know. Possibly.
Check back in shortly, so
All
I
right.
know you're alive.
You're beautiful.
I'm not murdered by raccoons.
You're beautiful. All right, I got the respirator on. I'm gonna just put in some music to inspire me and keep me strong. Oh man, there's so much water in here. This is so bad. How the f do I clean this out? This is just water. Going up, up, up. It's our moment. Gonna be golden. Oh. So I'm shining where God born to be. Oh, God damn it. There's a body. Motherfucker. No. Ah. God damn it. Okay, like, I can deal with gross, but rotten raccoon stew, or whatever the hell is going on there, is so freaking bad. This would be perfect Sarah work. She's really good with animals. Why do I do this? What the f? But we did confirm that it feels like the transom's solid. The floor is solid, which is both awesome news. The outboard is probably utter garbage, which is bad news. And we confirmed my worst nightmares that the interior is a raccoon cemetery. What's that stuff they bury underground that's like lettuce and then it ferments? Kimchi? Is that it? Kimchi kun. Kim Kun? That dude right there was definitely coming to check out the raccoon stew. Here comes another one. Is he coming for raccoon stew? There's enough raccoon stew here for everybody. Please like and subscribe for more misery. I don't know what we're gonna do in the next episode, but hopefully it winds up pressure washing this thing with bikinis. I promised Sarah that if she wears a bikini, I will too. So we will, you know, be an ally. All right, so look forward to that. Till next time, dudes. Don't forget to like and subscribe, bros.
Oh, come on, Rob. Playing with a raccoon skull. Like,
Don't forget to like.
oh my God. You're going to hell.
It's stiff. Look at that. Where else on YouTube are you gonna see a hot chick lifting an OMC V8? Look at that. What's happening?
Like,